Drop it.
Hi, I'm Gabe, and I'm wearing a condom because I'm about to fuck your dad. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Good morning, Bardistas, Gingy. Obviously, if you guys know the joke, you know what's up. JH, what's good? What's good? Good morning. Logan says, wait. Winning loser. All right. Good morning, So We Flow. Oh, So We Flow. I hope you're not on your flow. All right. I should keep the tagline. The pearl necklace and the fur coat. Yes. Don't do my dad like that. Hey. If he wants it, he gonna get it. All right. We're gonna, you know, STV is a great trader, an absolute great trader. I just had no clue. He was also an analyst. Get it? Analyst. Got him. STV, how you doing? All right. Let's rock and roll. No kids, so I'm not scared. Let's see. A little high, a little low. Anyway, the stock goes. Doesn't really matter to me. It's green. Sweet. That's what we want to see. All right, let's get right into the charts, guys. Good morning. I hope you guys are printing. I hope you made some bank. The SPY is determined to come on down. At least that's what we're seeing here on the chart. So we're looking at the SPY in a 1 minute. You see this here. She's coming down. She bounced after. She was like, wait, no, you're not taking me here. I don't want to be here. But look at, she's coming on down. We go ahead and we look at the 3 minute because the genie is telling us the 3 and 5 is still red. Now, let's go ahead and look at the 3. The 3 is telling us a very, very, I guess, convincing story for our 1 minute thesis. And it's saying, hey, we're marching on down. Now, the 5 being the ultimate time frame, is also telling us the same thing. But we're losing any type of bullish momentum. And you could see we have a possible convergence of the MACD against the signal line, and it's happening below neutral. All right, let's see. Just came from another stream. I got to say the attitudes are different when people are making money. Yes, very different when people are making money. You know, there's so many, personalities out there. And, they're like, hey, do this, my price target, this, that, and the other. And I'm just like, okay. You guys, in school, right? Did you ever play that game where you whispered in somebody's ear and that message had to travel all the way around to the last person in the class? Well, fun fact, right? I was the one always fucking up the message because they would tell it in this ear and I couldn't hear shit. So I would just make something up and pass that story along, right? Actually, fun stuff. But what I'm saying is that when you go ahead and you have a group of analysts, right? And they're saying this, that, and the other, the context and what they're trying to, showcase or what they're saying, it eventually gets lost in translation, right? So what we do is we remove the friction and we just play the charts and we're all seeing the same thing. The charts whispering to us, and you guys don't need my opinion. You don't need price targets. You don't need any of that. All you need to do is just join trade1348.com, get your first freaking month for $5, right? And you get to print. Now, let's see. Where am I with my SPY put? STV, Ivan, Andy, let's see. Let me see if I can bring this up for you. Hold on. Let me see. Cam 2. Cam 2's not on. Cam 1. Anyways, I don't know if you guys could see that. Maybe zoom on in. You see that there? 41%. Yeah. I have a lot of conviction on this play. Currently up 41% on this play. And, yeah. That's where we're at with things. So, STV's like, damn it. I told you I'm coming for you. You motherfuckers were just having a field day in text message. I'm trying to teach the master class in the morning, and I felt so left out. So, I got to play catch up now. But I'm gunning for you, okay? Let's rock and roll. The way I do things, and I do so with confidence, is simply by playing the chart, right, guys? There's nothing magical about what I do. No magic price targets. It's just, okay, we're following momentum, and we were following the trend. Yes, STV, you knew I was coming for you, right? And guess what? I'm about to fuck your dad. Okay, back to the chart here. We see the SPY. The SPY is just still coming down. That's the 5-minute, certainly convincing here. We got the 3-minute and the 3-minute also convincing. Just a little worried about where she's at here with the RSI, but we'll go ahead and leave all that sensitivity to the 1-minute. And the 1-minute, she's definitely here. She's at 84.43. So we have to watch this level. Ladies and gentlemen, this is when I tell you, right? Pigs get slaughtered. And I'm going to take my own advice. Because if you got in on this traffic light, you established a 200 as your risk, and you took her all the way down, you made a whole lot of money here. And you could see you got that retracement. Now, is the 1 going to lead the 3 and the 5 back up? We don't know. But we've seen these retracements as she stair-stepped her way down. This is why we use the 3 and the 5 to confirm the overall move. As it stands right now, moving average is below 50 on the 3. The RSI is also below 50 on the 3, so it's confirming a bearish trend. This is where we go ahead and we look at the trade 1348 Genie. We see the EMA trend is a put. We are below the 200, so we are biased to puts. RSI is bearish for now. MACD, strong bearish. ADX momentum, weak neutral. And this is on a 3-minute. So we could be entering that area where, the market says, all right, we've come down enough. Now, what I'm really looking for is that 383.81 by virtue of having the low in pre-market courtesy of this wick, right? But again, if you're up a significant amount, do not fuck around and find out, right? Now, do not do this at home. I'm playing a little differently, guys, because I'm playing for name's sake. I'm fucking Gabe, right? I can't let these pipsqueaks beat me on P&L. Hell no. But you guys are not in that competition. Make sure you secure the bag always. Make your money, take your money, be done. All right. So going back to the chart here, we are on the 5-minute. 5-minute is again, we have the moving average trending down. RSI is pivoting up just ever so slightly. We will be patient, okay? We will be patient. Now, what do you think about Google on puts? Got in around 94. Big city. Let's go ahead and check out Google. Google puts, you got in at around 94. Let's see, you came in at around 94. You got, well, you played this rejection somewhere. Definitely, right? Let's see, maybe here. So I'm assuming you played this rejection here. You're currently, let's go ahead and measure this out. Even if you played the rejection prematurely and you front ran the traffic light, you established a 13 as your risk. Maybe you came in down here. I don't know. Well, you said 94, so that's just way too low. You did front run this, right? You did front run this, but you're profitable. Now, the question is like, why would you, see your gains, your potential gains, just literally just diminish one by one, right? Because then as it reverses, guys, you then have to build a different thesis. Your different thesis is not like, hey, is it trending down? The thesis now is like, is it going to break the 48 or is it going to break this level, right? It just adds a little more friction than you probably want into your trade. So you don't want to do this. Definitely secure the bag whenever you can. All right. So for those that are sitting in the back, make sure you go ahead and check this out. We have, and it's not working. Huh. Oh, it has to be on me. Now it works. Make sure you guys check out that QR code right there. Make sure you check out trade1348.com for the win. First month, $5. Go get you some. We're going to help you make some money here, right? So back to Speed Racer. We're going to go to Speed Racer 1 and see if we got some alerts. So we got Amazon to the upside, Microsoft to the upside, right? Uh, Basically, it's chop chop, right? Let's go ahead and see Amazon to the upside. So here's the deal, especially on the 1 minute, right? You have the 48 to contend with. But on the three, it broke its moving average. So now it's got the 13 to 48 and the 200 to contend with. Now we go to the 5, and here on the 5, you have a possible cross down into bearish momentum, but it also has the 200 to 48 and the 13 to contend with. Now, we're going to go ahead and use the 1 minute as our guiding light. Again, if you got in on this traffic light, this retracement here on the put, you made bank. I owe you no more. Okay. So now this is a great teachable moment, right? A great teachable moment here would be you got a traffic light to the upside. Now, what are your expectations for this? Well, you get a candle close here with the traffic light to the upside. If in fact the candle does close with this yellow traffic light, so we got about 38 seconds on this, right? Now, what happens if you intend to take this trade and wow, we have a big boom boom candle, so expect the retracement, right? It just went on through. Like, Mom, look, no loop. I'm fucking dad. So you got the 200 EMA right there. Let's see what happens, right? Guys, but also pay attention to the 3 and the 5 because these are the governing trends, okay? So what this means that is that if you are going to take this traffic light in the 3 and the 5, do not cede its bearish momentum, then you're playing this simply for a scalp. Now, what's your upside? I don't see a level up. Well, technically, we have this right here. So we could go ahead and mark that. And that is right here. We don't have anything upside beyond that, do we? We will move this right up here. So we got 93.31. That is your upside. It is certainly just showing price sensitivity to this, right? And look where the RSI is at right now. It is reaching for the stars. Usually when you get an overbought or oversold RSI close to a level, it probably means it's going to knife on you. It's going to reject, right? So if you're in on this play and you're chasing, well, technically, you had your traffic light, you came in on this candle. So you're good. Honestly, I would go ahead and whatever profit that I have in Google in on this candle, I would simply take it, right? And then wait for momentum to show itself, right? Ideally, a candle maintaining above this level here and or a 3 and a 5 beginning its transition. So let's go ahead and look at the 3. The 3, its bearish momentum looks like it's weakening. Let's go ahead and look at the 5, and we see that the RSI broke above 50 and its moving average maintains above 50. But again, we have this level here, okay? This is a do or die level for us. That's essentially Google. Okay, so if you ran up on this candle and you broke a level and you're hanging out on this candle, you are now protecting 93.33. That is what you are protecting. Cody Hicks, you will gain access to Speed Racer as soon as our CTO works out all the bugs. All right, we're not rushing anything. That's why, we phase it out, okay? So going back to the chart, let's go ahead and look at Speed Racer. Once again, we have Nvidia. Nvidia, let's go ahead and check out Nvidia, but we also have Meta. So let's check out Nvidia and Meta. And before we go, I just want to say follow your nose to a fucking fruit flavor surprise because we're not wrong here. I hope you defended that bank. You made bank, defend it. Damn. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Nvidia. Nvidia, we have a traffic light up, came up to a level, and now it's just like, wait, I don't like it here. The 3 and a 5, again, have not relinquished their bearish momentum, okay? Has not. So you got to be careful, especially if you're chasing into this, right? This is a scalp. You do have a level here at 235.82. Guys, we go through the reads. I hope you guys are following along with these reads because the reads are fairly simple now, especially in a market full of chop. Okay, let's see. Moving along, let's go ahead and check out Meta. Meta platforms. Here we go. Traffic light. You went ahead. You probably entered here. You had a level here. I don't know if that was a sound play. Again, the 3 and the 5 has not relinquished its bearish momentum. Okay. Let's see. Speed Racer disappeared on me on the platform. I don't know how that happens. That's an Andy issue. That's not a Gabe issue. I'm a trader. I'm not tech support. Thank you. My name is Gabe, not John. Okay, moving along. Let's go ahead and check out SPY. Here we go. SPY doing its thing. And we got a traffic light up. It's the 200 that is potentially rejecting it, right? Let's see. Bardista says, make sure you log in with the link in your emails. Yes, please do that, and make sure your Discord is, in fact, linked up and connected. Okay. Now, someone needs to stop stalking me. I just got a text. Jesus Christ. Sometimes it feels like somebody's watching me. All right, so let's go back to the SPY. Let's have some fun. Let's make some bank. Here we go. 200 EMA. Lord. Do we have what it takes to break through? Someone give the SPY some lube on the 1 minute, please. Get a clean breakthrough. We've had enough period blood. We are so waiting for that period to be over, right? Because we want to play that reversal and we want to get it in. There's totally a coded message in what I just said. So, moving along. Haha, Singing Gabe returns. There you go. Now let's go ahead and check out Speed Racer 1 here. Nvidia, Meta, AMD, Coin, Google, SPY, Netflix. All the big boys are moving on up to the east side. Whoa. No butt stuff. I mean, well, unless you're STV lining up on the opposition, the corner is ready to like literally stuff him at the line. And he's like, guess what? I fucked your dad. What? Gone. All right. Let's go ahead and check out Tesla. What is Tesla doing? Tessie. Oh, Tessie. Here we go. Right. Traffic light to the upside got rejected by a level, got rejected by the 48. Yeah, the 3 and a 5 again has not relinquished its bearish momentum. So you want to play the direction of the trend. You want to play the direction of the trend. Lord. Oh, man. I'm having a field day here. Too much fun. People are messaging me. Anyways, let's get back to it. How you guys doing? Let's go ahead and see. Tesla traffic light up. I'm not really feeling it. I mean, she's made a move down. Guys, check this out. Traffic light for the freaking win. If you went ahead and even played the retracement to the 13 on this 1 minute traffic light, that's a $3.21 move. Your port should have been done for the day. Right now, traffic light up. Again, the 3 and the 5 have not relinquished it. You do have a level. You probably played this retracement on up to see if, hey, maybe we're going to get a breakthrough. Probably not. Now, we look at Tesla on the 5 minute. We had the cross, and we got a traffic light down. It is definitely struggling with this level here. And you got RSI below its moving average with the MACD crossing down. This should confirm that the 5, the bearish momentum continues. Oh, you guys like what I just did here, right? It really does not take much effort to go ahead and go through your progressions and go through the reads and simply believe in the chart and the genie, baby. TLT, 5 minute traffic down. Want to go ahead and check out TLT? Most people don't play TLT. TLT is a new thing, especially with all the banks. And so let's take a look. I don't know. I mean, people going to bonds, right? You got a traffic light down, but you got the 48 here, and that's on a 5 minute. We go ahead and look at the 1, and it's been absolutely choppy. You got the 200 here, literally just saving price action here. Man, you guys just read the charts. We bring it. Listen, right? We have these charts and we have it set and designed so you can follow the system day in and day out and make money, right? You could make money with the system. In fact, our bots are making money with this system. So at the end of the day, it's all about respecting the levels, the RSI, the traffic light, the caller put signal, your time frames, and the genie. Very, very simple stuff. We don't go ahead and we don't. Guys, you want some of this? Let me give you some of this. Let's go. Let's do it. Oh, we have a trend right here. Right? Let's go ahead. You guys want a wedge? I'll give you a wedge. I'll give you a wedge after I fuck your father. Let's go ahead and just go ahead and do this as well. Right? So we got a wedge. And so what we're saying, we need Tesla to essentially break out of this wedge. This wedge isn't really telling me much, right? I really don't give a fuck. Honestly, we're going to go ahead and remove the drawing. So we're done here. Now, let's get back to the traffic lights, shall we? Here we go. Traffic lights, Nvidia cross up. Nvidia, that's our last alert on the 1 minute. So let's just go ahead and check out Nvidia here. And Nvidia, the 3 here is saying, all right. I'm believing in the 1, but you do have that 200 EMA there. The 5 isn't quite there yet, though. The 5 is not quite there yet. Okay. So if we get the 1 and the 3, and I believe that, through the time frames, if the 1 and the 3 are green, then you're pretty good, especially in this scalp here. Right? You go ahead and take that. That's a $1.57 move with Nvidia. Good stuff. Let's see. I can get all of this for $179 at QT. Rocking? The fuck you talking about? I can get all of this for $179 at QT. What's QT? Rocking 911. I can get all this for $179 a quarter. Quality time with your mom. Oh, Algo's calling in. Okay, 1 second. Daniel. Oh, you want to see my hair? I got hair, bro. I got hair. You know why? Because I took it off your father's ass cheeks. Let's go. Ryan. Okay, hold on. Let's see if we get him on. All right, Ryan, what's going on, man?
Hey, so things are going pretty well. Looks like 3 of the bots are up significantly today. There's 2
you're live, right?
Oh.
What time is it? All right. Okay, cool. Listen. Say what you need to say. Just make sure it's, in code. I'm sure everybody wants to hear a little something. But yeah, we're just proving out our strategy. And yeah, guys, this is top secret shit, man. You guys don't believe me? It is top secret shit. Anyways, Algo, go ahead. Just talk to them. Just don't talk to me. Talk to them. Go ahead.
Okay, well, in short, the girls are doing very, very well today.
Okay.
And double digits in terms of gainers on some of them.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, I think we probably should keep the rest of the Area 51 secret, though.
I like that. So that's good stuff, right? I mean, it's basically confidential files going on right now. I like it. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Well, you know what? I'll give you a call after the live stream and I'll follow up with you.
Hey, sounds good. Take care, man.
All right, thanks.
Yep.
Yeah. Algo, change your clock. Algo's like, oh, it's 10:10. I can call Gabe. No. It just... Anyways. All right. Let's see. Girls dancing at Rick's. Hilarious. Let's go. Hit that like button. Let's go. 179 a quarter. Rocking. You're absolutely right. 1348 is for 3 years. Guys, if you look in the Discord, there are other communities, right? with like 500 analysts. You know, these guys that like to sound smart after they read a fucking book, right? They ain't really making bank, I promise you. But they're charging $200, $300, $400 a month. And I'm type jealous because I know that this shit is actually worth $500 to $1,000 a month, right? You know, with the big boys, with the big ports, they would go ahead and sell their mothers for this shit. But you guys are getting it for the monthly price of $69, $13.48 for 3 years, $179 a quarter. And to add more insult to me, we're giving it to you for the first month of $5. Over 93% off the first month, $5. Go ahead and get you some, all right? Get you some. Now, let's get back to the chart here. What do we have? Nvidia, the 5 has not relinquished on the genie. And you see here, struggling against that 200. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see. I lost the traffic lights and I have a TV Pro account. I can't copy it to my account. What am I doing wrong? Well, you could do this. Just simply go ahead, click a ticker, and you see this right here. Download the chart. Now, you probably might want to go ahead and delete maybe some of your older saved charts. All right. Let's see. Silo. It honestly is, to be honest, used to be free the last 4 8 months, and it is the best indicator I've ever used so far. Absolutely. Too many charts. Delete. Yep. There you go. Doug Tanner. Thank you. Too many charts. Anyways. As you guys can see, it's getting rejected from the 200 as expected. As expected. So, let's go ahead and see what we have here. We have Speed Racer, no alerts. All right, guys. So that means that, you know, all the big boys have made their move. And what we're waiting for is that move down. Interesting. So, let's go ahead and look at the SPY. What's happening here on the SPY? Oh, the SPY said, go fuck your mother. Woo-wee! Look at all 3 time frames are in agreement with the SPY. And you do have this level, and then you have the level at 387.44. What I want to do with you guys is do a replay, right? This is something that you could do with TradingView. And we're going to go back to before that 1 minute traffic light signaled. So let's go ahead and hit play. And we got the traffic light signaling. Now it's green, right? Currently, our thesis is a scalp. Then the 3 goes green. So now that's confirming our thesis. Then the 5 goes green. And there you go. You got a nice, decent move. Now, should you have entered here on this candle with the 48 being your level of risk, right? So you're not entering on the traffic light, you're entering a minute after. You got in on this candle here. That's $1.22. That is a $1.22 move. Holy fuck. Now, Silo says, I know I've overstayed my welcome. Not to sound weird, but I definitely have to pay for more of these gems real soon. So, Silo, you're doing it for free. All right, cool. Right? I highly discourage that because you're missing out on a lot. Right? Now, Silo, what do you do when I stop doing public streams? And I know there are a lot of you who are sitting out in the back row, like, yo, Gabe, because of you, I get to make money for free. Now, how is that a fair exchange? Right? Right in my coattails. Lord. Yeah, absolutely. Go fuck your mother. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and get back into this game here. What do we have? Let's see. You know what? That's it. So if you guys are using a free chart and you're not paying up, why don't you just, sacrifice your dad to STV? That's it. Now we're looking at even the SPY, and the SPY is struggling at this level, right? And you can see we're losing momentum, although RSI is gonna hit overbought territory here, right? So if you got in on this play and you made bank, what more I mean, you got the meat of the move, right? What you're essentially doing here is kind of like, when you're eating, the chicken and you got the meat off the bone, and then now you're just sucking on the cartilage. For what? You just look like a fool sucking on something in public. Anyways, let's see what we have here with no more alerts. Let's see. We got a Speed Racer 3 minute. We got a coin alert at 11:13 on the 3 minute. So let's go ahead and check out coin. And let's go to the 3 minute. Now, this traffic light paid all three in agreement. So it's keeping you in a trend. Let's check out the 3 minute here. And I'm liking this. Why am I liking this? Because you could see the momentum. It looks to be thinning here. Weak bearish on the MACD. Now, does that mean she makes her march all the way to 66.29? No. You still have to account for levels. And you have it right there. So even if you got in on this traffic light, maybe after the 3 printed, you are now sensitive to 64.79. Guys, you could just go ahead and zoom out. And wherever there's a level relative to where price action is at that moment in time, please do mark it, right? Please do mark it. So let's go to the 5 and see what's happening here. Now, the 5 is interesting. You got the moving average trending down, although its RSI is above it. So here we go to the 1 minute to get a better story of what's happening. And essentially what's happening here is right at this level, RSI looks to be breaking beneath its moving average, right? So if you got in on this play, again, you played the retracement off the 13 after you got signaled on the 1 minute here with this light. Here you go. That's $1.21. That's your $1.21 move, right? If you need another example, let's do it here. Traffic light here. Wait for the retracement. Bring it down to a level. That's a 236 move. Coin alone would have made you bank, and your portfolio would have thanked you with just these 2 plays. Guys, we make it stupid simple for you. Go ahead and click that link. Trade1348.com. Try for 5 for the next 30 days. Lord, you know what? I don't care if you're a Red Sox fan. Andy, he's a Red Sox fan, but we get along sometimes. Not most of the time, but we get along for the greater good of this community, okay? And anybody outside of that, yeah, you go fuck yourselves. All right, so back to Speed Racer 1. Nothing really happening here. Let's check out Speed Racer 5. Now, for those who are just really like, yeah, the 1 minute is just a little too fast. I can't do the 1 minute. Just too fast. I got fat fingers. I got arthritis. It's just too fast. Yeah. My wife is like, wait a minute. You come faster than you trade. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Apple here in a 5 minute. Hey, so Apple on the 5 minute. Okay. You got the traffic light here. So obviously you got all eyes on the 48 and all eyes on this level. Right. And you do have some momentum here. Right. You are in a put though, right? And it looks like you might get a call, but you're still biased to puts because you're below the 200 EMA. Of course. But I love her. Okay, so here we go. Here on the 5, you probably would want to see a retracement back to the 48 and then a bounce. Okay. Joy T says, just the entertainment itself is worth the $69. Oh, well, thank you. Junior Figueroa. Good morning, Gabe. I'm late. Junior, you must be Latino. Latinos are always late. Shit, I'm late all the time. I'll be late to my funeral. You know what? I think I was late to my own mother's late period. I was late to that shit. She was late on her period. I still ain't figured myself out. I'm just like, yo, so we doing this? Am I ready? Anyways, let's get back to this here. Let's see what we have here. Oh boy. We got guys ringing doorbells. That was the UPS man. No, I'm not pregnant. Man. You know, who was it? Was it Dave? Was it Dave Pinna? Who said, success is a lot like getting pregnant. You know, everyone tells you congratulations, but they don't know how many times you've been fucked. Yeah. I mean, success is a lot like that, right? So, stop fucking around and finding out and join the Discord that's going to set you free with these alerts and helping you make money. Okay. Are the speed racers only for lifetimers? Well, no, they will be phased out to the general populace here in our community, right? We have our alpha testers, then we phase it out into our lifetime, not the structured lifetime, but the prepaid lifetime. That product is no longer available, by the way. Then we also have the 3-year, and those individuals gain access to Speed Racer first. Then the general populace gains access to it, right? Let's see. Meta, 1 minute alert down. Let's go ahead and have some fun with Meta. Meta, what are we doing? Yes, Kenny, you. Wait a minute. Hold on. This was talked about yesterday, Kenny. Wait a minute. Kenny, you should actually be like they should have moved you. You should be Speed Racer right now. That was our way of saying like congratulations for absolutely killing it in your port. Andy, somebody, I hope you're listening. I hope you're watching, right? Because we need to make that happen for Kenny, right? We have to support our winning students here. We just do. He should have an email with the link. Yes. Are you kidding me? Seriously? No, Kenny, I'm not kidding you. Right? Kenny, I fucked your father. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But I'm serious. You get Speed Racer. Okay. Let's see. When can we select the individual alerts we want instead of all the alerts? You know what, man? Nicky Ricky, you're just asking for fucking too much, bro. Like, seriously. We have Walmart prices, but you want Bugatti service, bro. Calm down, man. Let Andy breathe. We already give you the best in the business, man. Stop being nitpicky. Jesus Christ. All right. So, Larry, what's up? Meta had a traffic light, just couldn't really hold it here on the 5 minute. Now let's see what's happening on the 1 minute. Yes. A traffic light down, but you also have the 200 EMA here. Okay. What happened to TMI? TMI is getting fucked by somebody's father after they found out he's like Rihanna's little brother. Fucking femboy. Anyways, back to the charts. Wouldn't it be better to have alerts for everything so that you know? Yes. See? Tyler knows. Okay. Let's see. After the escape backup says your very first 1348 video changed my life. Although I don't know how much I learned. I'm holding spy puts. I just left TMI's channel. I love him. Too bad. Well, you could love him. I mean, go ahead and do your thing. Hey, you go ahead and do your thing. Okay. So, let's see. What you got against Rihanna? She's a billionaire. You know what? Yeah, you know what? I wouldn't fuck for money because then that would make me a whore, and then that would actually put me in a twilight zone, sort of kind of like a inverse multiverse, and then it's just like, wait, hold on, who's doing the fucking and for what? But either way, let's go ahead and look at the SPY. SPY here on the 1 minute, just hanging out here. You see here, you got the blue pill line here. She's trying, but can't really hold it. Let's see, Ryan Sinclair, how's it going, Gabe? Popping in for a bit. Haven't been in a while. Been super busy. Miss you guys. Welcome back. Google 4-hour light. Let's go ahead and check it out. Google. Wow. Well, first off, Google's killing it right now, right? It's like all systems go. It's green, green, green. That means your money printer should be green, green, green. Good shit. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, PPI, CPI, all that data. Like I really don't care about it. I'm just trading the charts, right? So here's a fun fact, right? You guys could go ahead and use the news to make you bias to a direction, or you could just simply play the chart and then understand why the chart is reacting in such a way, right? So the news can be a catalyst, but it's only a catalyst if it turns into fruition. How many times have we seen CPI? We had a CPI or jobs data and it was absolute shit, and then the market just like ran on us, right? So we sort of kind of like take a step back and don't care about news, and we just play the charts, all right? Let's see. Didn't respect the put level on the SPY an hour ago and got shafted. Got to respect the levels. Absolutely. Respect the levels. So this is Google. Look at, if you got in on this traffic light, let's go ahead and measure this out. Traffic light. You got the retracement here from here, right? And this is on the 1 minute, right? So you're going to go ahead and then establish the 48 as your risk. But you made your move here, and that's an 80-cent move. Don't get slaughtered. Greed will get you shafted. As, let's see, Richie Rensing experienced. He got shafted. Stop being greedy. Now. Okay, Kenny, you will make sure you get the link. Somebody get Kenny you the link, please. Thank you. All right. Let's see. We need something to talk about besides just go fuck your mother, go fuck your dad. I mean, that is true. That is true. That is true. Okay, so let's go ahead and what were we looking at? I want to go ahead and see. Let's see. Rafael Rosario says I'm up 85.51% for the week, killing it for the week with 1348. Rafael, dope. You guys already know what to do. $5 your first month. Then it goes up to 69. And you know what? You probably want to go ahead and get in at $5 so that you can get it at 69 before I raise the price to 150. This is happening. I'm going to get paid my worth. This is not fair. You guys are just making boatloads of money. And I'm giving you guys my time. And it's for $69, whereas you got other fucking morons running around like, hey, $99, $200, $300. Like, fuck out of here. Anyways. Here we go. SPY. Again, getting rejected here. We got a traffic light down. Richie, why don't you go ahead and check us out on the 12:30 stream? Maybe we can look at your trade, all right? That'll happen at 12:30. Traffic light down. Let's see what's happening on the 3 and a 5. The 3 and a 5, you see it's losing some momentum here. And RSI is below its moving average. Then we go ahead and we look at the 5 here. And you see how the 5 is now coming into its moving average. And again, it could never get over 0.00 on the neutral line on the 5 minute, right? Even though it was a call signal. So, choppy market, is it not? Now we go back to the 1 minute, and we could see that it's holding up here at the 200. We get a break of the 200. Ladies and gentlemen, if you went ahead and got this here on the 13, and even if you played it to the 48, That's a 30-cent move. That's got to be 5% right there. You got the wick down. That's 39 cents. That's got to be 5 to 7% right there, right? It's a lot of money that we're making here. RSI below its moving average, and if we could get a clean break below 50 here, she's coming down, right? Possible retest of this level here at 386.81, and then a rejection. We're gonna find out, right? Let's see. King, Dow, Kush, traffic lights for the W again on SPY. Never average down. Always stomp out. See it, feel it, trade it, fam. King Dow. Wait, hold on. King Dow. Weren't we on opposite sides of the street at some point? At one point, weren't we not? King Dow? Ladies and gentlemen of the chat, do we not remember King Dow? It wasn't King Dow? Who was it? Yeah. No, it was. It was King Dow. It's in the past. All right. Welcome. Welcome all. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can convert King Dow, we can convert you. But please don't be a transgender already. You're already fucked. I'm not paying for that reverse surgery. Trade 1348, put me on. Can't lie. King Dow, good shit. Right. He said he could out-trade me. Come on. If you can't beat him, join him. That's it. Welcome, brother, right? Don't ever cross me. The only crosses you're doing are 1348 crosses and these traffic lights, right? That's it. Guys, if King Dow can see the value of what we're doing, trust me, you can too. Right? Check it out. Trade 1348. $5 holla. Oh, yeah. Get your first month in. I'll make you a believer just like I made King Dow a believer. All right. Let's go. Let's see. 1348 is real. Loving the charts. One thing. It's a lagging indicator, so be quick. Lorenzo. But we give you rules. We give you rules, baby, so you can print. Okay. Let's get back to this. I'm glad to see enemies become frenemies. All right. Anyways, enough of that. I'm still not sword fighting with you, King Dow. Okay? We're not doing that. Anyways, let's see. You can't even buy a cheeseburger at Wendy's for $5. What are people waiting for? I don't know. A fucking heart attack and a medical bill, and then wondering how they're going to pay it. And then they're like, hey, trade 1348 is the way. Then they go ahead and grab their redneck stepchild that hated them their whole entire fucking life. And they're going to say, hey, can you learn this shit to keep me alive? Then that stepchild's going to go ahead and hang out with King Dow for the first couple of months and say, no, fuck trade 1348. Let my stepdaddy die. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. Great narrative, right? Disney should make a movie. Okay. Here we go. Nvidia gets another cross up at 1121. It is 1134. Lord. Speed Racer 5. Speed Racer 1. We got things coming on down. Can't believe people are still pushing TRKA. Are they really? Really? TRKA? Wow. Quick question. Not sure if it could be answered. Is there a reader that just does lights ignoring the indicators? Morrow. But I will say this. For anyone and everyone, you know what? Fuck it. Let's do it. You guys want a bumba? You want to play with the big boys? Let's do it. Come on. Here we go. I've been showing you guys the 1 minute all morning. Right? I've been showing you guys this all morning. Nope. We have an NDA. But we got to show the 3 minute. Okay? The 3 minute. Ladies and gentlemen. The 3 minute could put you at ease, right? Could keep you from popping pills all fucking day. Yes. So this thing here, right? We got a traffic light down on the 3-minute. You play the retracement, establish the 48 as your risk. Go ahead, play it down to a level. That's $1.52. Traffic light here. Play the retracement on the call. Take it here to the 200, $1.58. That was the SPY in literally 2 moves. The most actionable alerts in the morning. You're not going to chase the 3-minute alert at market open, so you're safe. You stay away from the chop, right? So what's happening now? You have a potential 3-minute traffic light printing to the downside. So you think this is going to pay? Well, my friend, I think so. Dum. The betas have NDAs. There are a lot of people here with NDAs. And if anything leaks, I'm coming for you. I'm going to find you. Ain't gonna be pretty. Man, I just totally botched that whole taken line. It's whatever. I'm good at killing the market. Sorting sin. You don't get an NDA. All right. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY here. SPY coming on down. Right? We can hang out here on the 3-minute. We see that the 1-minute has a traffic light down. She is ready to go timber. How about NWA? You mean the airlines? Cause I'm not doing that. There's an NWA group. Hey, I'm from the hood. I know it. Can't say the word, but NWA, the airlines, cool. Yeah, I know the rap group though. Let's see. Tabasco Dave says, no NDA for you. Let's see. Can you imagine if like STV was actually Asian and he's lining up across from the corner? Instead of saying, I fucked your dad, he's like, I put my dumplings in your mouth. Yeah, HR, come get me. Come get me, bro. HR, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for all that smoke. About to get fired. There is a reason why we don't have HR. Hey, look it. We're all degenerates here. Reported to Carol in HR. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 11:38, 2 minutes shy of 11:40, which means I gave you guys my hour, which means I come back at 12:30 with STV, which means we will also be answering your trade questions live. Go ahead and give us a call. Tell us why you're mad. Share your successes. And if you got a motivational story like, woo, we love to hear it. We've been hearing them and we love them. And it's all about taking control of your financial freedom. Okay? Taking control of your financial freedom. Life, there's 2 people in this world. There's 2 people. There's one person who gets fucked. There's the other one who does the fucking. I want to be the one that does the fucking. So maybe STV was onto something. Fucking everyone's dad. But those are the 2 people in life. Those who get fucked and those who do the fucking. Be the one that does the fucking. Now, before I go, I do have to talk about TRKA. Now, the fuck we got? What are we doing here? Now, for those who, the guys in the back, the gals in the back, you femboys without a spine, the ones living in mama's basement, the ones that go ahead and then attack everybody on Twitter that doesn't agree with what you're saying. Let's go ahead and look at the daily. I got receipts, motherfucker. This is why I told you guys to defend it. And you didn't. If you didn't, you're fucked. Right? That is not my problem. You went from the world's best trader to the world's shittiest trader in a matter of days. And that's on you and your greed. And now you have to go ahead and talk to your mama and tell her She can't have her mommy makeover like you promised, right? It really sucks. Hey, try again next time, but be smarter. Join this community. $5 for the first month. I'm telling you, it will change your life. Okay? So, I'm out. Peace, love, hair grease. I got to go talk to HR.